Simplified web forms with Forms IQ. Forms IQ creates dynamic web forms to capture information from internal and public users. Forms are used in a variety of situations for collecting user input. Common types of forms are order forms, travel and expense, human resources, applications, and sophisticated forms that require multiple pages, expanding sections, calculations, approval systems, and the ability to output to a PDF. When a form is filled out and submitted, it is automatically stored in the Feith document database. The FTD Power Client can then be used to search and preview all submitted forms. And to top it off, your business process can be applied to the form using Workflow IQ, where we can monitor and manage the processing of the submitted forms. Let's create the intern application form with Forms IQ. Before we can build the form, we must first define the data elements behind it. Using the Feith control panel, I have created a file cabinet that I've named Intern App that will store the intern application forms. I have created fields in the file cabinet that define the data that I'll be collecting. Some fields will store text, some are for dates, and I've included a lookup that will allow the user to select a value from a discrete list. Once our file cabinet is set up, we can launch the Forms IQ Designer. Creating the form is as simple as choosing File New, selecting our file cabinet, and choosing Generate Form. Forms IQ automatically generates a new form. Each field on the form matches the data type specified in our file cabinet, including a drop-down for the department field that is based on a lookup. To make this form available to our users, all we have to do is choose Save Publish from the File menu. Give the form a name, an optional comment, select the server, and click the Save button. And here is our complete form in just a few seconds. I can now fill it out, select a date for the date fields, choose my department, and now submit the form. It is immediately added to the file cabinet. In this case, I have prepared a workflow to manage the submitted forms. As each task in the workflow is completed, the forms process through my business logic. Forms IQ has its own set of tools and supports the use of cascading style sheets and JavaScript to enhance and beautify forms. Forms IQ helps you quickly and easily generate web forms that can be accessed privately and/or publicly to capture data. Tied with Workflow IQ, this becomes a complete data management system. Read more information about Forms IQ and other Feith products at feith.com, or send an email to more-info@feith.com.